Start with a circle in a box. Draw a line straight down the center of the circle and a triangle from the bottom corners to the top of the box. Now make a small triangle at the bottom center and 2 circles just on the sides of it. Draw a line for the center of each circle going straight down, and a line across this should be curved up just a little bit. From the corners of the boxes, make a 45-degree angle and round that around a circle on both sides. From the smile line, you want to connect that up towards the cheekbones and draw the jawlines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.